Another crop failure. That's 3 months in a row now.
What am I doing wrong, Grandma Coco?
Patience, dear Max. The soil here has been tired for generations. Your grandfather faced the same struggles.
But I water them. I pull the weeds. I even sing to them like you told me.
Perhaps they don't appreciate your singing as much as I do.
This isn't funny, Grandma. The village market is next week.
I have nothing to sell. Nothing.
I'll be the laughingstock of Banana Grove. Your grandfather used to tell me stories, you know? About a place beyond the Whispering Woods. A garden where everything grows with unusual vigor.
Those are just stories for baby monkeys, Grandma.
Are they? He left behind a map. I kept it all these years, thinking you'd be ready one day. A map? Where is it? In the attic chest. But Max... Magical places have magical rules.
Promise me you'll be respectful if you find anything unusual. I promise, Grandma. I promise. It's beautiful.
The Whispering Woods. We leave at dawn.
Hey friends, hit that subscribe button and join our Farm Fam family.
Hold on, little farm. I'll save you.
Ready for an adventure, dear?
Let's do this, Grandma.
Stay close now. These woods can be tricky.
I can barely see the path.
According to this map, we should be close. There should be 3 ancient trees forming a triangle.
I'll look from above.
trees. The triangle. Just ahead. The triangle. Grandma, it's real.
Whoa! It's actually real. There.
And these stones. Now what? The map just shows these stones. Perhaps you need to show respect.
Your grandfather always said,
Oh, great magical garden, please appear.
I'm a struggling farmer named Max, and I really need your help.
"That's not exactly what I meant."
Wait! What's happening? It worked! It actually worked!
Is that a giant carrot?
Should we? Go in?
Come, let's see what lies beyond. Together.
Okay. Here goes everything.
This is... I've never seen anything like this.
Look at that pumpkin. It's bigger than my house.
In this garden, colors bloom, chasing away all.
Can it? Who dares enter the eternal garden? I am Sprout, guardian of the eternal garden.
State your purpose, intruder!
Greetings, Guardian Sprout. We come seeking knowledge, not to take or harm.
Knowledge, eh? This one looks like a taker to me. That greedy glint in his eyes.
Greedy? I'm not greedy.
I just want to grow enough food to survive. My farm is dying.
Dying, you say? And you thought you'd just waltz in here and steal our secrets?
No! I mean, I don't know what I thought. My grandma told me about this place. Her husband...
Wait. Husband? You're related to old George?
You knew my George?
Knew him? He saved this garden 50 years ago.
When the dark drought threatened to destroy everything, George shared his water supply with us. We owe him our existence.
Grandpa saved a magical garden? He never said anything.
George was humble.
We offered him unlimited magical seeds as thanks. But he only took one handful. He said, "I want to earn my harvest, not just receive it." That sounds exactly like my George. I've been doing everything wrong, haven't I?
I've been so focused on the result, I forgot about the process.
The care, the patience.
Growth cannot be rushed, young monkey. But since you're George's grandson, and you've shown humility today, I'll make you an offer.
Really?
You may take 3 seeds from our garden.
3 seeds?
I can really. But they only work for farmers with patient hearts.
Plant them with love. Water them with care.
And sing to them, even if you think it's silly.
Grandma Coco Coco was right about the singing.
I'm always right, dear. But remember, Max, these seeds represent a bond.
You must return in 3 moons.
And share your harvest with those in need. Can you promise that? I promise, Guardian Sprout. make Grandpa George proud.
And I'll never forget that real farming is about nurturing, not just taking. Then take these with my blessing. One tomato seed, one corn seed. And one very special banana seed. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, and Max? One more thing.
Yes?
Your singing isn't that bad. The plants were probably just confused about the lyrics. See? Even magical sprites agree. I'll work on my pitch. Grandma, let's go home. I have seeds to plant. Remember, 3 moons. And Max? The garden will always welcome the grandson of George. Let's get you 3 planted properly. And the patient farmer knew good things take time.
Grow strong, grow tall, I believe in you all.
Please take what you need. There's plenty for everyone.
Max, these are incredible!
How did you do it?
Your grandfather would be so proud, Max.
I saved 1 seed, Grandma. For someone else who might need the magic.
Because I learned it's not really about the magic. It's about the heart you put into growing. Wise words, my boy. Very wise indeed.
Hey, friends! Hit that subscribe button and join our Farm Fair family.